Hey, hey, hello YouTube. Welcome to J Love 757 Jones. I have my portable washer in that I ordered. So today we're going to do portable wash day and let's see how this thing goes. Now, if you don't mind, if you would like, you can hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. I just want to let people see that this portable washer, it works. Okay. See, it's the water coming in. Let me show y'all. Hold on, I gotta get these slips up out of here. Let me turn this off the wash. There's no clothes in it yet, but I'm filling it up. But y'all see? Y'all see that? Sweet, right? And the water coming on in. See that? Right there. There go the water. See? Sweet, right? Man, I'm telling you, y'all invest your money in it, yo. Can't go wrong with it. Let's see. Can I? Oh, why did I mess with it? Okay, I believe that's in this field. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna drop me clothes in it. Let's drop this. Oops, bracket. It can get a little amount up in there too, y'all. It can get a good amount up in here. All right. One more pair of pants. There we go. Alrighty. Y'all look at that. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Oh, something might be getting caught up in there. Wait a minute. Probably that daggone screen I knew I shouldn't have put up in there. Hold on, let me readjust something. Let me readjust something. What them shorts at? Where is them? Okay. Okay, there we go. And this is the timer. Can y'all see? It has a wash timer, a select switch for your standard, for your soft or the drain. And this is the spinning timer when you put your clothes in for the rinse all that water out of once you rinse it all off. Once I get ready to put it onto the other side, rinse on this side, I'll come back. Okay, y'all. It done stopped washing. And let me show you how it drained. This is the draining process. Can Can I? Oh, let me put it over this side. Right there. Now you put this. It's best to do it in a tub, or if you want to do it in your kitchen. Like I tried it in my kitchen, but you know, that right there was a little difficult because this hose is too little to go up onto the sink or the back door. So I'm gonna go get me a longer hose to connect to this, but in the time being, we're gonna do it like this, and it still works. Now, we're gonna turn it on drain. Let's see. On drain. Look. Y'all see that? And you see all that dirt. So it gets your clothes clean now. Look at that. Look at that. And my clothes be mega dusty. The type of work I be doing. But it's all good. As long as I can get it washed, baby. See that? Drains. Right on out. Man, I'm trying to tell y'all, invest your money in something good. You know, that's worth your while. And this right here is worth your while. See that? Look at that. Sweet. And see, some people take their clothes out and rinse them on this side. But I'm going to just refill it up with some water and let it wash like that. Instead of, when I put it on this side, I just wanted to go ahead and do what it do. It's all that extra soap and water out of it. Sweet, y'all. I'm talking about this is nice. Like, I still have it on drain because I'm letting water come in and still drain out. But then I'm going to turn it off the drain, put it back on standard, and then I'm going to re-rinse it again with this. Yes, I am, folks. Y'all, this thing work miracles, man. It beats going to the laundromat. Telling you that. Especially with the corona out. That's what made me start looking up things like, I don't have a wash and dryer hookup. But I end up going on Amazon and putting in washers from home. Washer dryers popped up, and then portable washer popped up. I'm like, portable? So I read into it. And then I looked in on it and, you know, invested it, looking at other people that has it. And I'm like, oh, okay. That worked, right? Okay, you see how the water is clear now, right? Can y'all see that? See the water coming out clear. So now I'm going to turn off the drain. See that? See how it stopped when you turn off the drain? Now I'm going to let it fill up, refill with water. And let it do what it do. This little wrench. I'm telling you, y'all. Bomb.com, baby. Bomb.com. These portable washers work miracles, boo. Work miracles, baby. It truly does. Get you one. Invest your money. Invest your money. Invest your money. Invest your money, man. I paid 111, 115, I want to say for it, but it's worth it. It's worth it. It's truly is. It really are. It's really, really worth it. And sometimes if you feel like your clothes didn't get clean enough, you can always reset it and let it rewash a second time. See that? Let me lay this out. Alright, that's enough water right there. Hold on. Okay, turning off the water. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna let it do its little wrench, man. Look at that. Sweet, right? Sweet. Alright, y'all, once I rinse this out and stuff, then I'm gonna show you how this side works. I'm gonna show you how that side works. I'll be back shortly. Okay, y'all, it done rinsed and it's draining. I almost forget that I still have my phone in the bathroom because I'm recording in the kitchen too, doing my Sunday dinner. So I'm doing two at once. Okay, now y'all see that? Now let's get ready to do the rinse cycle. Get this out of here. Get that out of here. This to keep the clothes from flying up and making that open. But let me show y'all something real quick. Look. See all that water, right? See all this water? Okay, let me show you what this bad boy gonna do. What this little thing right here gonna do. Come on. I'm getting peoples. I want to show y'all. Look. See all that? See that? Okay, let's get that up in there. That's two. You ain't gonna be able to get as much on that side like you can this side, but it don't matter. It'll still work. Just have to probably do it twice. It depends on how much clothes you'll wash. Now I can probably get the tights all up in there. One pair of jeans. You're not gonna get too many pair of jeans in there at once neither, because it'll throw it off the track. I done learned that. So probably about a good one pair of jeans in your washer is all you need. I mean, yeah, in the washing machine along with your shirt, socks, or drawers, or whatever, you know. Let's see. Okay, I think that's enough right there. Okay, this goes in like that. You close this lid. Boom. Spin timer. See the water? See the water draining out. Push it on. Now you see that? You see how it turned white now too, right? This washing machine, this portable washer work, y'all. I'm telling you. It works. It works. That's your money into something useful, baby. Got my little laundry basket ready. Now, like your blankets and stuff, now you can wash a couple of little sheets and pillowcases. But if you have big comforts, they're going to have to go to the laundry room. To the laundry room. Bad boy. Bad boy work. But the only thing about this, like you can open this when it's washing, but if you open this, it's gonna stop. Alright, let me get my basket because it don't take long for that to wring that stuff out. Wow. Let me show you. Just want to show you. See this? No water whatsoever. No water whatsoever. None. Look at that. They usually feel like they about dry. Like damp. You know, it's not even that. Man, this bad boy work miracles. Invest your money, folks. Invest your money. Especially people that have little infants at the house. And you know, you have a baby, we constantly is washing their things because you know they're vomiting, They're using the bathroom, you know, or go through out their little pamper until they close. You know how it go. I'm telling you. Get you one. Get you one for them new beginner mothers, you know, to make it easy on you, baby. Right into that laundromat. If you have an apartment that don't have a washer and dryer hookup, like I don't have a washer and dryer hookup. So this portable was just fine. Look at that. Y'all see all this? Look at that. Y'all see that? Look at that. All that water. And it's going to wring it out real good. Wring it out real, real good. Look at that. See that water coming on out of there? Coming on out, baby. Coming on out. I'm talking about y'all, this thing work miracles now. It really does. It got all this stuff over here. It truly does work miracles, boo. Well, she got this cup here.